In 2025, over 500 million people are using ChatGPT every month to plan trips, write emails, and organize their lives. That's almost 500 million people using AI, all while you're watching this video right here. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what ChatGPT is, how to use it, why it's so popular, and even a few sneaky tips and tricks most people don't even know about. Alright, let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is ChatGPT? Think of ChatGPT as a super helpful robot assistant who lives in your computer or your phone. You type in a question or a task and it gives you an answer, writes you an email, or even tells you a hilarious joke. I said hilarious. It's like having a super assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and never ever beats you at Mario Kart. Think of it as your digital sidekick, always ready to help and never judging your spelling mistakes. So why is everyone talking about ChatGPT in 2025? Because it's not just for tech experts anymore. It's for parents who want to plan birthday parties in 5 minutes, maybe content creators who need to write video scripts, and anyone who just wishes there were more hours in the day to just get things done. Here's what ChatGPT can help you do. It can help you automate boring tasks like replying to emails or making to-do lists. It can give you quick answers to almost anything, so no more endless Googling things. It can help you boost your productivity so you can spend more time on what matters, Mario Kart, and it can free up time for family or just a well-deserved nap or more Mario Kart. Basically, ChatGPT is like having an extra pair of hands without the extra mess. Alright, so how do you actually start using ChatGPT? Let's go through it step by step. Head over to the ChatGPT website and create a free account, or log in if you've already made an account before. Once you're in, you'll see a chat box. Type in literally anything you want. It could be write me a shopping list, explain why the sky is blue, or I don't know, it'll be a step-by-step strategy for getting better at playing Mario Kart, or you know, something like that. Then hit enter or tap the arrow button to see the magic happen. Here's a few ideas to get you started. You could try asking it to plan a weeknight dinner menu for a family of 4, draft a polite email to your boss asking for a day off. You could ask it to come up with a bedtime story about a robot and a dinosaur, because for some reason my 2-year-old loves those two things. Or you could ask it to give you 3 ideas for a side hustle that you can start today. And the best part, you don't need to know any fancy commands or anything like that. Just type away like you're chatting with a friend, you know, a very smart friend that helps you get things done. Quick bonus tip, ChatGPT also works great on your phone. You can chat by typing, or you can use voice input, which makes it super helpful. Alright, time for some fun ChatGPT tips and tricks. So firstly, be specific. The more details you give to it, the better the results will be. Instead of asking it to just help you, try asking it to help you write a thank you note for your kid's teacher. If you don't like the answer it gives you, just say try again, or ask it to make it funnier or make it better. ChatGPT loves a challenge, so make sure you're happy with the response it gives you. If you're stuck on content ideas or you need a catchy video title, ChatGPT has your back for that. If you have a picture or a file, you can actually ask ChatGPT to help you understand the images, the charts, or even PDFs. And here's a bonus tip, you can even ask ChatGPT to pretend to be a character, say a pirate, a chef, or a motivational coach. And trust me, it's way more fun when you give it a character. So what can ChatGPT actually do for you? Like right now, you could use it as a personal assistant to handle your emails, schedule meetings, and remind you to pick up your toddler from childcare. You could use it as a business helper to generate leads, write social media posts, and brainstorm new product ideas. You could use it as a family organizer to help plan meals, create shopping lists, and even help with homework. Or my favorite, you could use it as a content creation assistant. So you could use it to help draft blog posts, write video scripts, or even come up with catchy video titles. If you can describe a task, ChatGPT can probably help you with it. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to using ChatGPT in 2025. We've gone over what ChatGPT is, how it works, and most importantly, how it can help you make your life just a little bit easier. And if you're still confused or you just need a clearer breakdown, I'll leave a link down below to a beginner's guide document which should help. Think of ChatGPT as your new secret weapon for saving time, reducing stress, and getting more done, even if you're juggling work, parenting, and the occasional Mario Kart crisis. And if you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out this one over here, which is my complete beginner's guide to AI agents.